Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just had arrive into stock this absolutely lovely Land Rover Discovery diesel. It's the Tech SE, very low mileage, in absolutely lovely condition. As you can see, it's finished in black. You've got the front parking sensors, alloy wheels, all on proper Pirelli Scorpion tyres. It's the recommended tyre for the Land Rover. Anything like that means it's been well looked after. Privacy glass to the rear. The bodywork is just absolutely beautiful in black. As you can see, tyres all have great tread on them as well. Rear park distance control, twin exhausts. I'm really struggling to see any marks. Scorpion tyres all the way around. Drives absolutely beautiful. Great price range car. Electric tailgate all fully working. It's obviously the 7-seater being the Discovery Sport. Easiest 7-seater I've ever seen in my life. So you've got the headrests here that come up and you can just fold them down like that. Gives you a lot more extra space if you don't need the 7 seats. Full leather inside. Well, no, sorry, not full leather, full half leather. With a bit of cloth here. Armrest with cup holders. As you can see, backs of the seats haven't been kicked around by kids or anything. It really is being looked after. It's one of the nicest discos I've seen for ages. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Again, seats are all in lovely condition. It just looks like a low mileage car, which it is. Just start the car up. Yeah, 43,555 miles. So that sign there means it's got side protection as well. Multifunction steering wheel. Cruise control, multimedia system with satellite navigation. Yeah. Park distance control. 3-stage heated seats. Aircon is blowing absolutely freezing cold. That's all lovely. Bluetooth connectivity. Let's get back to the home page. So we've got the media pack.
Before that,
we've got stations there, source, Bluetooth on the phone as well for music. Centre armrest here, aux, USB. There's even headlines in lovely condition. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.